Hi.
What?
Where you going?
So that didn't answer my question. What do you want?
I want to give you a lift.
No, thank you.
Hey, how much? How much?
Okay.
Name your price. Come in.
Can you take care of me?
I said name your price. So, come in.
Now, to be sick. I don't understand. What is going on now? Talk to your guy.
Your man is a good woman.
You know I'm here for you. What's going on? What happened?
A ship that was carrying my container from Taiwan sank in the Hudson.
Jesus! Hey! My brother, what kind of misfortune is this now? Hey God, why is all this happening? Eh? Why is all this happening? Hey!
What's the feet is that? The road. I borrowed 100 million from the bank. That's business.
Also, Lenny, I feel your pain, my brother. I feel your pain.
So when the date the bank gave me a loss, the confiscated everything. Car, a shop, everything. I was left sleeping on bed.
What kind of problem is this? God, why is all this happening to my brother?
I don't know it. Yes. Inside, I want you people to help me stand again. I see no name where I'm at. Go near where I go. Just look at me. Look at where I've fallen. Look at my house. If I know what members, I cannot even boast of what is 20,000 naira. Look at what I've fallen to. Just look at Patrick. Mama, I've tested riches. I've equally tested poverty. And if you ask me to choose, I will choose to remain there.
Mande, I feel your pain. Please calm down. Okay? You have to brace up. We will find a lasting solution to your problems. And you get back to your feet again. And also, how about your beautiful wife? How do you want it?
Hit me, baby.
How do you want it?
Hit me more.
How do you want it?
How?
Like that?
Yeah.
You call me Tiger.
Oh, Tiger.
Eat you.
Come eat you, Tiger.
Do you want it?
Right.
all my friends have not been able to do anything for me. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? No. Can you imagine my own difference? No. I have to go back to where I used to be. This is not news. This is not me at all. I have tested witches. I have quality tested poverty. And if you ask me to choose, I'll choose to win. I am tired and sick of this situation. I'm tired. I am tired. Look at me. Just look at me. God.
You having fun? You wanting some more?
I want more. Come here.
Right. I'll give you some more. What?
Oh, babe.
What?
You're bad.
Oh,
You're bad boy.
Right. That's your phone ringing.
No, babe. Continue.
Are you sure you don't want to take that? Okay.
Oh.
Are you sure you don't want to take that?
What is keeping you there now? I am hungry, very hungry.
Oh, this network again. Hello? Hello?
Hello? I can hear you very well now. I can hear you.
Hello? Oh, poor network.
Who was that?
My compound security. He's calling to ask if I ordered for something. I don't know. Babe, please, let's continue.
Where do you stay?
Hagrid Road.
Agric Village?
Yes.
That's where you live?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. So you want to go home? Is he asking you to come back?
No.
Oh, alright.
Come here.
Yeah. You know, I told you that I can. Wow, she was so good. Just how I like it. At first, she was proving hard to get. But trust me, I had to use my magic on her. Uju is my kind of woman. Sexy. She's got the biggest back.
Where are you coming from?
I'm just returning from the market.
From the market that you left here since morning? Is the market at in place now? Yeah? But then are you aware that I've not eaten since morning? Oh. Your plan is to kill me so you can mourn me for 3 months and move on with your life? Right?
I didn't say that. But I'm sorry. See, if I tell you what I saw today, you will just faint. I swear, even my mouth cannot say it. It's too heavy.
What you saw today will make me faint. What is it?
As I was approaching Midwifery Market, I saw people running. I was wondering, what is going on here? Why are they all running? Then I saw soldiers. Plenty of them shooting carelessly.
Jesus Christ.
I was scared. I said, this can't be. I had to go and hide. I went into hiding to observe what was really going on.
Are you serious?
I saw them carrying AK-47. And even people were shutting down their shops. My husband, God saved me. So I needed to take cover first. Save my dear life. Before I jumped into the next available keke to Ogogomego Market.
Thank God still make a market.
You know these people, they were shooting carelessly. I needed to just hide because of accidental discharge.
Yes.
Nelson, where have you been? Don't give me that look. I've been calling, you're not taking my calls. What is going on? I went to your house and was told you're not there. Why are you stressing me, Nelson? Why?
Sorry, my phone was far away from me.
Baby. I just wanted to be sure you're fine, right?
Thank God for my life.
Babe, is that not the same road Patrick took to this place?
No, it can never be. Ask him where he took. I'm not sure he tried up man and road. I know what I saw. I know. And maybe he took up your way or one other. But he never. Nobody has passed that up man and road today. Nobody. Who are you? When soldiers are shooting at you.
Anyway, it's okay. Just now. I'm very hungry.
Eh?
Yeah, I'm very hungry.
Me? Cook? Why? Does it mean you don't have empathy? No, you're not a pity person. You want to kill me? With all what I've been through today. I won't do that. No, please, just leave me.
Wait. So you mean I should go and cook? You mean I should go and cook the soup?
Yes, my darling husband. This is so simple. Go and cook so we can eat.
Then you have I cooked before since we got married?
It doesn't matter. Oh, for Boske, yes, you try it today, you will not die. With all the things I've been through, I am still in shock. I can't cook, I can't do anything. Or where do you hotter right now? I'm trying so hard to even understand myself in this situation. Because I saw a lot of nonsense today. I can't cook. Since you cannot cook, fine and good. I have Gary there. She will take it and soak in the water to eat. I'm sure that will help you. Till I come out of this shock. I am still in shock, deep shock. Are you not so working?
Okay.
Yes.
Want me, your husband, to marry?
Darling husband. You can find a way to the kitchen. Oh, I cannot cook. I just cannot. I am still in shock. I can't.
You better go and cook that soup right now because I'm very hungry. Go and cook that soup.
I will not try it. I am in shock.
Go and cook that soup. Go and cook that soup. I am very hungry. Go and cook that soup.
Please don't be carried away because
Don't you have something to do? Like, you know what? I have a client coming to see me, and I do not want to be seen in a compromising position. So maybe you should go home and I'll call you back later.
Really, Nelson? I'm not going anywhere. I'm not! What is all this?
You don't have to be stubborn about this. Just go.
You know, just shut up!
She's not picking up.
Look at the soup you made.
What is it? What happened to the soup I made? What were you expecting? The soup I made in shock? If you don't like it, you can go to the 5-star restaurant and order for food. Food I made in shock. You're not even brave.
Be careful.
I'm eating.
Obianuju, pick your call.
It's not so important. Allow me to eat.
If someone that is eating doesn't pick up.
Ndobisi, can you please leave me alone to eat this food in peace? How come Maka?
Person is still calling. Pick your call.
Hi, baby. How are you? So you wanted to cook something. Did you make the soup? I gave you money, remember? So are you coming over? Because I miss you so much.
What was that?
Okay. is your problem? No, listen. Should you give me money to buy meat? Are you so blind that you cannot see meat in your soup? I got tired of cooking every time without meat in this house. So I had to buy meat on credit. And I mean, so she called me to remind me to bring her money tomorrow morning. And that please, just leave me alone. Let me eat this food in peace. The same food you forced me to cook. Allow me to eat this food in peace. I am still in shock.
So I give you money. Sell you 2 marriages. I just want me to create. But don't you know? When this money was with me, I used to kill myself. Sometimes cow. What is all this? Why are you embarrassing me? Where is this foolish stuff coming from? Why you need to hide it from someone I don't know? I am.
Hi, Nicole. What? Okay, can I call you in 5 seconds, please? I'll call you back. Alright, thank you. Yeah. Hello? Hi, Susie.
My sweet baby, are you home now?
How are you? No, I'm not home. I'm actually on my way to the airport.
Are you traveling?
No, I'm not traveling. I want to pick up a client.
Because I want to come over so you can get my whole body on fire as always.
Listen, I'm not, you know what, just use your vibrator now. You have a vibe now, right?
Babe, I want the real thing.
The real thing is not available now until next week.
Why next week? Why not tomorrow?
Hey, I said I want to pick up a client, right? Use your vibrator. Come on. Nelson. Zukwanike. Zuike. Rapu muwai aka.
When you fall in love.
Why is she keeping me waiting? I told her to be fast.
Please don't be carried away. Because
I told her to be fast and she's keeping me waiting.
if you're not prepared,
Yeah, come in.
it will lead you to some people.
Baby.
No, move out of track with their lifestyles.
What are you doing here?
Excuse you? What kind of question is that?
I told you I have a client to meet with, right?
You did not tell me anything.
Maybe you forgot. I told you a client came in from Lagos and I need to spend some time with him. That's what I told you.
Nelson.
Yeah.
I don't know what has been going on, but it's obvious he no longer wants us.
Hi.
Come on, what is happening?
Listen to me. I have a client that came in from Lagos. I need to meet up with him. That's what I told you. So give me some time. I promise to make it up to you, okay?
Yeah, that is it. That is all I hear lately. Meetings? Businesses? What about me? We're in a relationship, Nelson.
Relationship? When?
Are you kidding me?
Listen, I want to attend to my business, okay? Kindly go. If you want some money, I can send some money to you. Then we can, catch up later. How about that?
Yeah, that is it. You think it's always about money. Come on, it's about attention.
Which attention?
Being there for each
okay,
other.
I want to attend to my business now. What is wrong with you? Go and come back later. No, don't even come back. I'll come to you.
You know, it's obvious I'm only making a fool of myself.
Yes, you are right now. You can go, please.
I'm stalking you, right?
Hi, oh.
I will leave. I will leave. You know.
Please shut the door properly. Relationship when?
Stupid boy! Get man! Where are you going to get? Rubbish! Don't get out of my way!
I don't come this one all.
Hey! Oh. Take it all nonsense. Linus! Linus!
Sir.
No woman. I repeat, no woman enters this house. Except that one with a big backside.
Okay.
What did I say?
I beg Oga, what's your name?
Uju. Uju Juleju.
Uju. Okay.
What did I say?
Okay, you don't see any girl will come find you for this house. Man, no open gates for him. Except that we give big nash.
Good.
Don't forget.
Good.
Sorry to say, walk out with no go. He's ready to make any woman happy.
We need to get find and come this house. Now so we go there. Oh guy, I'm mad that I know what's settled down.
He's ready for them. Anywhere you want to go, he's ready for them.
You no longer pick my calls. When the chips are fell, she will know the true friends when you have heard. These are people that are rallying around me when the going was smooth. Let me have this call, Rashid. I promise to do something. Patrick, please pick your call now. Patrick, please pick your call. Patrick, just pick your call.
Hello, listen. I'm off.
Come back. Where are you going dressed like this?
Oh, going to a Bogonogo market to pay the meat seller.
You're going to Bogonogo? Is that why you dress half naked? Exposing everything that you're supposed to cover as a married woman?
What is wrong with what I'm wearing? Tell me. I am not half naked. I am not dressed naked. I am probably covered. Okay,
everything is wrong with what you're putting on. Let me ask you something. Do you realize you are a married woman? Oh no. When your dog cannot dress like this and be walking along the road. It's not possible, impossible.
Did you say when your dog?
Oh yes, I said it.
Yeah. Keduzi Odogo, where is the Odogo? Because I cannot see any Odogo. I can only see Odiogo. Odogo head. I am off to the market.
Wait, hold on. 1 minute. Oh,
Odanoju.
Indeed.
Odanoju. Odanoju. Did my wife just walk past me?
When you are moving out of track of destiny, cause all that glitters is not gold, it's not gold at all. Beauty has a good beauty has a good side. All that glitters is not gold. Don't allow.
Hello. What are you looking at?
I beg Auntie no verse if you turn around.
Are you okay? Excuse me. Who are you to ask me to turn around?
Now my work I dey do.
What stupid work? Please excuse me.
Now let my oga tell me say now I do now the way I dey do. My oga tell me say anything I will find and come. Say make I confirm whether the person get big nyash. Say if you no get big nyash, make I no open gate for am. So I beg turn around make I confirm something. Turn around make I confirm something. Jesus!
What's happening?
Hey!
You don't confirm, man.
I don't confirm. Now if you dey institution, my oga dey wait for you.
For talk this thing.
I beg wait. Wetin be your name?
Obianuju.
Obianuju. Ujujureji. Now you fit dey go.
You go quick dey talk these things. You go quick dey talk some kind things.
Now tell me say ma do now. You fit dey go. Hey.
Hello.
Uju. How are you?
I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm fine. How have you been?
I've been missing you. Yeah. I've been thinking about you.
Really?
Yeah.
Even with your handful of women.
Come on. That's the truth. I've missed you.
I don't believe it.
You've been on my mind, actually.
Nice place you have here.
But you've been here before.
I know, but I didn't take my time to look around.
Hey!
What is
Uju.
Please stop.
Uju get mad.
What?
You're sexy.
I know. That's why you like me.
Of course I do.
So what was that out there?
What?
The gate man.
Oh, my gate man. Listen, you know it's the weekend and I'll be getting lots of visitors. I wanted to be sure who comes in. Alright? Yeah.
I see.
What?
Nothing.
Hey, you know you're spending the weekend.
No way. No, I am not.
Why?
Because
You what?
I don't know, but I'm not going to spend
You're
the weekend.
spending the weekend. Come on, let's freaky. You know how I do it.
Please.
Come on, turn around. Let's.
Oh, Nelson, you're crazy.
You have to spend the weekend with me.
What for?
You know now. Hey!
What?
Are you asking me what?
You're
Look at what you're carrying. It's a lot.
Oh,
Hey! Chineke.
Nelson, you're so funny.
Well, if that's what you call it, then that's okay. I mean, I want to be funny all the time as long as I get the opportunity to touch this. Oh my God.
Okay.
You know what?
You've been eating me up with your eyes since I got here. Why don't we go upstairs and do the real thing?
Of course, baby. I want to take you upstairs and do the real thing. But I want to get high first.
Don't you smoke?
Smoke? No. I don't smoke. I don't smoke. I mean, I don't do too much alcohol as well. The only thing I love to do, I love to have sex. Baby, nah, pure custody. Some people say I'm unnameful, but I don't care. Some people say I have a high libido, but I don't give a shit. Guess what? As long as I can afford to pay the type of woman I want. And that's all.
What kind of a carefree person is this? For once, he hasn't asked me about myself.
I thought you wanted to kiss me. Wait, you're not here. What's on your mind? What are you thinking about?
Nelson, you've never cared to ask if I have a boyfriend.
A boyfriend? What do I need that information for? I don't care if you have a boyfriend. What do I need your boyfriend for? Listen, I'm not here to control you, okay? It's freedom. I want us to be free with each other. Do you understand me? Listen, it's a paid partnership. It's business. You come, have fun, I pay you, you go. Don't push your luck too much though.
What do you mean by that?
I mean, it's business, okay? You don't have the right to call me when I don't want to take calls. You don't have the right to come to my house unannounced, without invitation. And don't get upset when you see another pretty girl around me.
You mean you don't care?
I didn't say I don't care. I care about you, but don't get upset when you see me with another girl, because I have a lot of pretty girls around me. Hey, listen, you can also bring your friend so we can all be friends and, you know, have fun, you know.
So, how did it go, Sarah?
It went well.
Okay.
Erica, have you heard of Nelson, the handsome guy with the handsome pockets?
No.
Erica, that guy spends heavily on women.
Please, I don't really want to talk about that sugar boy that sleeps with every married and single woman in town. Please.
Erica, I tried to say you don't know him, so...
Like I said, I don't know him. But, come on. Well, I don't really know much, but all I know is that that guy sleeps with every married woman and single ladies in town.
What? Erica, that's a lie. I don't believe you.
Oh, you don't believe me? Really? Well, I know that guy sleeps with married women and single girls, even without protection. I swear to God, if you give that guy a mad woman, he's going to sleep with that guy. That guy is more senseless than I thought.
Erica, how do you know so much about someone you said you don't know? Like, how do you know he sleeps with women without protection?
Have you gone? Gone where? Me. I would rather sleep with a mad man than to sleep with that nympho. I swear.
Erica, I will go. You know what? I will go and seduce him. I want him pants down with me. Yes.
Oh.
I'll have a taste of his dick.
You want to sleep with him? You can go.
I will. Give me a taste of his dick. You will.
You alright? So tell me, what's on your mind?
Babe, I want to change my phone.
You want to change your phone?
Yeah.
That's all you want? Alright, so how much is it?
It's about 3 million naira.
3 million? Alright, I'll send you 3 million.
Are you sure?
Yeah, why not?
Babe!
Of course, I'll give it to you. I'll give you anything you want, babe.
Oh, thank you.
But you know how to pay back, right?
I know.
I'll give you all the sugar.
I know.
3 million is nothing compared to, you know. You know. So, is that all you want? 3 million? iPhone? That's all? You don't want my house?
No way.
You don't want my house?
No.
I want to give you my house.
Go away.
Babe, if I can get 1 billion from him, forget it. I don't blow with that. Oh, wait. So you want 1 million in exchange for your life? Before I think say you get sense, but now I can confirm it very, very well that you don't have sense. Why do they talk like this, Erica? You want to die because of 1 million naira? Erica, who tell you say that guy carry HIV? Babe, I can tell you with my full chest that guy is a carrier. No problem. Slay queen and slay queen. Leave her for me. I'm just advising you because you're my friend. Forget Nelson and his generosity. My dear, when you hustle legitly, you will make more than 1 million naira. Thank you, Miss Advisor. Leave her for me. I'm not the only one fucker. Eh? Now you? Leave her for me. I'm going to still carry the whatever. Hey, God. Are you serious? You want to go and you want to do this? You don't get sense with this girl, so you want to go and buy yourself because of you. They're very, very stupid. Now you go buy yourself. Now your generation go buy, no be me. Shut up your mouth. Come on, 1 million. Come on, go on. Oh, you know it's common. So you know it's common 1 million and you want to go and sleep with him. For 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. That's it. I'm a big girl now. Just wait till when I see him. Sharp. No problem.
Let's go.
What time have you left here since morning? Which market you go just to give me seller money? How many hours? This time to sit is all this.
Of course.
I told you I'm already here to do.
Oh yeah, you are so hot.
Your phone is ringing.
Oh.
Get down.
Woo. Oh. Oh.
What was that?
Nothing.
Wait. Is that a ring? Is that a ring?
Nothing.
Are you married?
Hi.
Are you married?
I'm sorry.
Wait, you're married and you didn't tell me? Would you? You're married and you didn't tell me?
I'm sorry.
You took off your ring and come to sleep with another man? A married woman? Are you out of your mind? Why would you do this? No, what are you trying to do? Why didn't you tell me you were married? I can't believe this.
I'm sorry.
This is unbelievable.
I'm sorry, please.
What is wrong with you women? How dare you? You took off your ring to come sleep with another man. I'm sure he's the one calling you, right? He was the same person that called you that day you were here.
Yes.
Really? Why are you cheating on your husband? Why?
Everything I'm doing is to spite that man that calls himself my husband. He cheated on me first. I'm only trying to pay him back in his own coin.
How do you mean?
My husband was doing well in business. It's not important. Ndobesi was very rich, but a chronic womanizer.
How do you mean? What nonsense are you saying?
He was a cheat. And a proud one at that. I remembered how he used to brag to me that if I don't check it properly, he would marry 7 wives. And I would do nothing about it. You know, listen. I don't regret what I'm doing. What is a woman's part doing in your suit? Am I not talking to you? Answer me.
Obianuju, what is your problem? So all you do is search my suit whenever I come back from work? The other day you saw a red lipstick stain my shirt. The other day again you saw earring. And today again pant. Obianuju, what is your problem?
Are you not ashamed of yourself? You hurt me. You cheated on me. You've been freaking cheating on me. And you do not show any sign of remorse?
Excuse me?
Are you this heartless?
Remorse, you said? For what? That I cheated on you? That is very common to every man. Now listen to me. My father married 7 wives. So, if I decide to marry 10, as long as I can take care of them, it's none of anybody's business.
Wow.
So, stop this. I don't like it.
I'm not surprised where you got this dirty attitude from.
Oh.
So because your father married 7 wives, you want to do the same? You want to be like father, like son?
Oh yes.
No. I should applaud you.
Oh yeah?
I should clap for you. Go on. You can marry as many as you can. I don't care. But you see this nonsense? Do not bring it to my home again.
Obianuju, don't push me. Obianuju, don't push me. Because you won't like the sound.
Oh, please. Get out.
Obianuju. Obianuju. Obianuju.
Some men are just too shameless. Ndobesi, you are a shameless man. In fact, I am super ashamed of you. Why are you a he-goat? Why are you so insatiable?
Obianuju, if you cannot take it, divorce me. You see that woman? I would not stop dating her. And I will tell you why. Age-long dispute between their community and my community is the reason we did not marry today. Obianuju, I met Edna the moment she came out from this secondary school. Because of the financial problem from the parents, I saw a talent in her and I decided to invest in that. I took her to the university. I trained her. And after training her, I was denied one important thing that I cherish so much. Due to age-long dispute. Our people and their people don't intermarry. And anybody that disobeys that dies in the dowry day. I and Edna cried. But our tears could not do anything. How can I move on after investing so much money on her? Edna went to Akwa Ibom for her NYC and met one man that she got married to today. She asked me to move on. And I said no. My people started mounting pressure on me that I should marry. And I said no. How can I move on after investing such amount of money in her? So, after the whole pressure from my family, they decided to marry someone who has something Edna didn't have. With the size and everything, I still love Edna. I'm sorry. The only thing that can separate Edna and I is that I love her so much. And I will forever love her. Yes.
Why? No, so what did I do wrong? Why do you keep hurting me? Do you rip my heart 1,000 pieces each time you tell me how madly in love you are with another man's wife? Why are you breaking my heart? Am I not enough? Why can't you just move on with me? Have I not loved you rightly? In a way, a wife should love her husband. Did I do wrong? The day Edna died, my husband died with her. Nothing else matters to Ndubisi other than taking his own life to go join the love of his life. He tried severally. If not for my timely interventions, my husband would have committed suicide long ago. The death of Edna stopped my husband from cheating. Then, another calamity struck.
What calamity?
His 40-feet container sank in the ocean. He returned to 0 level. He was forced to see a seer for consultation, where he was told that the spirit of Edna was the cause of his downfall.
What?
Edna's spirit want my husband dead to come join her in the spirit world, since they were denied marriage in life.
How?
Unbelievable, right? Nothing, I was shocked to my bones when my husband opened up to the seer that the spirit of Edna has been appearing to him, compelling him to commit suicide so they can be together.
Wait. If I understood you correctly, did you mean Edna appears to Ndubisi? So, what has your husband done about it?
He was asked to appease her spirit so she could rest in peace or even cage her. But there is no money for that.
Philip.
No, sir.
The spirit of Edna lives on.
What? How?
Do you remember Uju?
No. Who is she?
The girl from the village.
Oh, one of your numerous girlfriends.
She's Ndubisi's wife.
What? Same Ndubisi?
Yes, same Ndubisi that caused the death of my wife.
This is preposterous.
I never knew she was married. She kept me in the dark until I found out. Well, guess what?
What?
It's a good idea because I have a plan.
And what plans do you have?
I'm about to avenge my wife's death.
By sleeping with all the women in this town over a stupid revenge of yours?
I'll have my revenge. Listen to me. That guy caused me pain. And I'm about to cause him pain.
Nelson, your wife slept with one man. And here you are planning on sleeping with every married woman in this town over a stupid revenge of yours. And don't tell me you want to die of HIV and AIDS over all this rubbish you have spilling.
Philip, you don't understand.
I do.
Listen to me. I want them to feel the pain I felt when they slept with my wife.
Nelson, you better have everything. Have a second touch, Nelson.
Hey.
Where are you going by this time of the night dressed like this? Huh?
Did I not tell you I'll be going to a night vigil tonight? And busy.
Night vigil? In which church?
My friend's prayer ministry. She told me that the man of God there is powerful. He's very strong. She also says that God is using him to perform mind-blowing miracles, signs and wonders. So I've decided to attend. I want to go there and pray so that God can answer my prayers by delivering you out of those demonic chains. That is one of the reasons I want to go to that church. I want to face those your demons one-on-one. That is what I'm about to do.
Your friend? And who is this your friend and where does she stay?
Her name is Mercy.
Is the night vigil taking place in Mercy's church?
What is it? You do busy. What is all this question and answer? Are you deaf? What is this? Did you not hear me mention her prayer ministry? They hold this vigil every Thursday night. And that is why I want to go there. Really? I don't have time now. And I don't even want us to argue. Let me use this strength in me to face your demons and pray you out. Leave me alone. Take care of yourself and come and lock your door.
If my problem can be solved through that prophet's prayer, it's fine.
What's keeping her? Huh? She should have been here by now. Listen, she shouldn't keep me waiting because I've taken Viagra. Him got paired this night. It will help me achieve my... Oh, she's here.
Hello, handsome.
Hello, baby. I've been waiting for you.
I am here now.
Oh.
Hi.
I've been waiting for you to come.
Oh, come on, I'm here.
I missed you.
I miss you more. Babe,
Yeah.
come devour me.
I'm here for you. How
I'm
do you
all
want
yours.
it? How do you want it? Come. I'm going to give it to
Oh my word. Baby.
What?
That was good.
And guess
Why
what?
not?
You need to hide this Bible because I'm feeling guilty.
Baby.
Yes, no. And you have to leave that bastard. I've told you to leave him. Come to me, I'll take good care of you. Leave that bastard, come on.
Babe, stop. I thought we've talked about this before. We've been through this.
You didn't give me an answer, did you? No?
You don't expect me to pack my things one morning and leave my husband just like that. I need time.
How much time do you need?
I have a plan.
What's your plan? Let's hear it.
I want to trigger a serious disagreement between NWC and I so that I could just, have a reason of moving out of his house.
Have a reason for you want to. Well, just you're still thinking about it. Something you should have done a long time ago. Izuzu.
Babe, trust me. I want you as much as you want me.
I want you too.
I got this.
But you need to come here. Leave him alone and come. Come and stay with me. I'll take care of you. He has nothing to offer you.
I know. Calm down.
And you know how I do it. I give it to you like,
You're crazy.
Let's go. I'll see
I
you.
have to go.
When am I seeing you again?
So, bye.
Come here.
Babe.
Hide that Bible. Hide it.
Okay. Yeah.
So you're going to tell them you went for night visit?
Of course.
Hey!
We pray.
Hey! Hey!
God would not go. He's ready to make any woman happy. Anyhow they want them all. He's ready for them. Any style you want to. He's ready for them. Anywhere you want them all. He's ready for them. Soul to soul, body to body.
NWC, I'll pay you back in your own coin. Just the way you destroyed my family, I'll shatter yours. Your wife is mine. It's a promise.
To play this game well. He's a player. He has all it takes to make women happy and keep them all for himself.
to open the door.
I'm sorry, I overslept.
You're again. So you've been sleeping as if you don't have any problem. Lazy man. Look at you.
Oh, please, Obianuju, don't go there, please. I'm exhausted. I'm tired.
You're tired.
Am I the cause of your predicament? Are you not a finished man? Look at you from head to toe. You are finished! You brought this upon yourself. You brought everything happening to you upon yourself. Shameless man. Ndubisi, what is this?
What's what?
Ndubuhead, what is this wetness? Hey! So you've been masturbating while I was praying for you, kabashing, bringing down heavens. You're a shameless man.
Masturbation?
You're a finished man.
No, I did not.
I don't blame you. I was not even expecting you to agree to it. Liar! Shameless man, a finished man. Hey!
Odeanuju.
Yes?
I thought you went to night vigil to pray for me.
And so? And so, Ndubisi, answer my question. What happened here? What happened here? Why is this place wet?
Hi, babe.
Hi.
How are you? I'm not fine. Since you left, I can't focus.
Why?
I don't know. You're asking me why. Come on. Listen. You took all of my energy last night. I'm not gonna lie. Like, you took everything away.
It's like you like this thing too much. Why?
Of course I like it. Babe, can you just take your phone backward so I can see what's, yeah, to the left. Okay, to the right.
I've told you to stop saying these things. My husband is around.
Your husband? That good for nothing husband?
Stop calling him good for nothing. He's too nice.
Your husband is a bastard. If he's not a bastard, why are you cheating on him? Your husband that you feed with my money.
Nelson. So you've been the one planting my woman, right?
God punish you. Ndubisi, you are a bastard. No, I say you are a bastard, Ndubisi. God will punish you.
You see how the mind after climbing my woman? You know the woman more wet. Now I want big food anyway. Nelson.
Stupid idiot.
Is that not Nelson? So was it at Nelson's place you did the video? But then you saw you've been sleeping with late Edna's husband just to spite me? What? Hello? Hello, Patrick. My heart is fucking up.
Shall what is the meaning of this drama? So you want to die now? Okay. Were you not sleeping with his wife too? Were you not? You know, good turn to say serves and love. No, feel free to expose your wife. Or you are so stupid because you won't know that you're exposing yourself as well. Try it, come the porn. Let me open my mouth and tell the whole world what you are. Look at this pot. Call it kettle black. Then or they call the baba, or they call the ego. Try it and see me walk out of this bondage you call marriage. Look at this one I've been managing. You don't know I'm managing with your bad character, badly behaved poor man, poor and wretched. Stupid thing. Open your mouth and tell the whole world. I will help you to expose yourself. Look at this man. Open your mouth and talk. Do you think I'll beg you? I am not begging you. Ndubisi, save him. You see me leave your house. Nothing. Hello. Is this not the hiccup, the pig that I've been feeding with my hand money? Look at you. You are supposed to say thank you whenever you see me. When you wake up in the morning, you say, my wife, good morning. Nonsense. Lazy man. Lazy man.
Ujunwa, how are you?
Like you care?
What do you mean?
You all abandoned my husband because of a temporal setback. But there's no problem, because I strongly believe that someday Ndobisi will bounce back. With or without you guys.
Ujunwa, it's not what you think. Ndobisi is my brother, and I will do everything humanly possible to make sure he gets back on his feet. But each time I try, something keeps pulling me back. I don't know why. Something keeps discouraging me.
Something? Like what?
Each time I try making move, I develop this cold feet and goosebumps all over my body.
Oh, something like Edna.
What?
You know, I usually do not believe in ghosts until this case of Edna. The other day, you visited us and left, right?
Yes, but you were not around. How did you know about that?
You will not believe me if I tell you this, but it's the truth. Edna told my husband.
What? The late Edna?
Yes. How long do I intend to pull through if there is no help anywhere? Patrick, I am tired. I am tired because Edna is making life so miserable for Ndobisi, my husband. She blocks help from every angle. She's frustrating him. She wants him to suffer. I don't know why.
Something has to be done.
Something like what? Who is going to do the needful? You? And the others that has abandoned him? That want him dead?
No.
No, you people that want Edna to take him away from me?
No, that's not true. I warned Ndobisi. I warned him to stay away from that lady. Now look at what is happening. He caused this for himself.
I know Ndobisi has not been the best man or the best husband to me, but I sincerely do not want to lose him. Don't even want Edna to take him away from me. But if this continues, I'm going to leave.
Leave to where?
I'm sure you know how badly he treated me in the past. Because he was stupidly in love with Edna. Not minding that I am his wife. Judging from that, I could just leave, get married to another man. But I am still here because I love him. Because I want him to succeed. If things doesn't get better, I will leave.
Would you just calm down, please? Okay? Just calm down. Everything will be sorted out. Please.
When? That is the question.
Wow.
Now be that.
Erica.
Good afternoon. My name is Erica.
Madam, who are you looking for?
Yeah, I'm looking for your boss, Mr. Nelson.
Who's that?
Say no, na Erika.
Erica?
Yes, sir.
Alright, let her in. Yeah, hello, come.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm not sure I remember you. You're not one of my associates.
Not at all. My name is Erica.
Erica, okay.
Can we go inside and talk?
Go inside my house and talk? Okay. Nice wristwatch, by the way.
Thank you.
Come. So, what can I offer you?
Water.
Water? I have whiskey, brandy, wine, name it.
Water will be fine, please.
Just water?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me a moment.
Well, I have limited time here.
So, what can I do for you? Like I said, I can't remember meeting you and you're not one of my associates. How did you even get my address?
You are a ladies' man, so finding you is not that difficult, you know. You're going to meet a lady called Sarah. She has a deadly disease that will kill you slowly.
Sarah?
Be warned. Do everything you want to do with her, but don't go in with her.
Wait! Hello! Linus! Come. Where's that girl?
I don't see her.
Come here. Where's Erica?
I don't see her.
She just left.
No, I don't see anybody. I don't see her.
What do you mean?
I don't see her.
Check the gate. Go ahead. Look out.
She's not here. What? She's not here. I don't see her.
Why is all my friends finding it difficult to come? Why? Why? Que va dice? Is my own different. I just need money. I just need money to separate myself from Edna. I am tired. I'm tired. I want to have my own children. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. Edna, you're here. Go away. I don't want to see you again. Leave my life.
No, I will not leave you alone. You are mine. We promised each other forever. So why do you want to separate yourself from me? Remember we took an oath. You forced that oath on me because of your insecurity when I was going back to camp. Remember? And now you want me to leave you alone.
And I am sorry, I want to separate myself from you. I am tired. I want to have my own children. I'm done. Please, leave me alone. Please, Edna, leave me alone.
What about me? Do you know how lonely I am over there? Do you know? No. Do we say? Our oath stands, even in death. You are mine, Dubisi. I will not leave you alone. I can't. Dubisi, look at yourself. Look at what you've reduced yourself into. Do you like it? Are you happy? Are you happy here? If you must know, your friend was here. He came here to give you the 2 million that you asked. But I made him leave. Yes. I made him leave because I don't want anybody to help you. You want to use the money and separate yourself from me. I can't help it. You have to come with me, Dubisi. You are mine. You belong to me, not to her.
Edna, the oaths we took to love each other stopped working the day you gave up. Yes. It is only that will come between us, remember?
I've been the one stopping all your friends from helping you. Nobody will help you. Die! Do something! Commit suicide! Think of that paper! Do anything! Die and come over there and join me! Is that too much for me to ask?
Edna, I'm sorry. I cannot do what you're asking me to do, Edna. I can't!
I'm prepared to suffer.
I can't!
Do you mean you're still going to the place?
Of course, Erica. I already told you he's my spec, and I must have him.
Seriously, Sarah? Must you sleep with every dick, Tom and Harry you see?
When did that one start? Erica, please, I don't like it. Stop it.
My dear, this life doesn't suit you. Do you know that that guy can infect you with diseases such as staphylococcus, HIV, and even AIDS?
Erica, as long as I use protection, I am not scared of HIV or any venereal disease. Okay?
My dear, Nelson sleeps with everything under skirt.
And like I said, Erica, that is my business. I choose who to sleep with. And come on, look at me. Just look at me. He can't resist me. I am too sexy and hot, and I deserve better. I deserve Nelson.
Sarah. 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 Okay.
Erica, why are you being too dramatic? Eh? Why? Please, I don't like it. Stop it. Please stop. I don't like it. I'll be leaving. Take care. I will have him. I am too hot and sexy. Offend me.
Hey. Sarah. Sarah. You need to rethink this thing. Oh. I've said my own. Think about it again. Oh.
Erica, why are you being too dramatic? Please, I don't like it. Stop it. See you. Hello, handsome.
Hi.
I've been waiting for you.
Waiting for me? Why? Am I owing you?
Can I come in?
Come in. No, you can't. What's wrong?
I want to see you. I like you.
You like me? Turn around. Your bag is cheap though, but I'll tell the gate man to open up for you, okay?
It's fine. Thank you.
Yeah.
I've been waiting for you.
Yeah, so I'm trying to understand. Why are you waiting for me?
Let's go in. I'll tell you.
Let's go in? Just like that? Hey, wait. What's your name?
Let's go in. I'll tell you.
What's your name? What, like, why do you want to go into my house without telling me your name?
Okay, my name is Sarah.
You say your name is what?
Sarah. Let's go.
Your name is?
Sarah. Come on, let's go in now. Please.
Hey! Move back.
What happened?
Your name is Sarah.
Don't you like me? Don't you like what you're saying?
Okay. You're here to infect me with HIV, aren't you?
HIV? How? I don't have HIV.
Are you not Sarah?
I am.
Don't you have HIV?
No, I don't.
Get out.
Let's go in.
I said get out.
Come on.
Mama, get out. Are you stupid? Come on, get out.
Let's go in now. Like, come on. Come. Let's...
You had the guts to come to my house?
Come on, I want to have fun with you.
God punish you. Get out! Come on, get out! Are you mad? Get out! Get out! Can you imagine? Come here.
Sir.
Who's that girl?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know. I've not seen her before. I've not seen that girl before.
Now listen to me. Don't you ever in your life and in your next life let that girl in here.
Okay, sir.
Again.
Okay, sir.
Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Her name is Sarah.
Okay.
In fact, don't ever let anybody that bears Sarah into this house. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
What did I say?
I should not let any girl that bears the name Sarah inside this house.
Good. And if you like, go and take her number and sleep with her. She has HIV.
God forbid.
She will give you HIV.
God forbid.
And if you die, I'll come for your burial.
God forbid.
Idiot.
It's not me. Hey.
Sorry to say, walk out would not go. He's ready to make any woman unhappy. Anyhow they want them all. He's ready for them. Any style you want to hear. He's ready for them. Anywhere you want them all. He's ready for them. soul to soul, body to body, flesh to flesh. He's a full option, dangerous player. He's a player, he has all it takes to make women happy and keep them all for himself. He has all it takes to play this game.
Erica, you will not believe what just happened. What happened? I got to his house, but his man refused me entry. Out of desperation, I decided to stand and wait for him. Guess what?
What?
He came back home, saw me and chased me out. On hearing my name, Sarah. Can you imagine?
Wait, do you mean that same guy that sleeps with everything in skirts just heard your name and chased you out? How? Are you not a woman with a hole down there?
Erica, I think someone told him something bad about me. Do you know he looked me in the face and told me I want to infect him with HIV?
And do you have HIV or even STD?
Erica, you stupid. What kind of stupid question is that?
I'm just asking for myself.
Please don't do that again.
Seriously, my friend, you really need to thank God. Like, go to a church and do Thanksgiving, because that guy would have been the one to infect you with HIV.
Erica, I think you're right. Yeah, I think he's the one that has HIV. Thank God that saved him. He really saved me from a death trap. Thank God for my life.
Yes!
Yes.
God really saved you, you know.
Of course he did. God loves me.
This man pushed me down. Bam.
You are the sweetest. Peter had Tommy Cha. Peter will go. Hey. Peter.
Come on, wake up. This is Ubulonwegi. Foolish man. What are you doing? Who is the sweetest? Onye na atọ ncha. Who do we see?
Edna.
You are making out with a ghost? You are sleeping with a ghost? Who do we see?
Edna was here.
And so you could not resist her? Holy Moses, Holy Mary, Holy Mother of Christ. Hey! Hey!
Then would you stop? Bring down your voice.
Don't tell me to bring down my voice because I haven't even started. I haven't even said anything. Who do we see? So you are cheating on me with a ghost. You are making out with a ghost. But when I touch you, hey, your skin will be as flat as a tire. So this is the reason you've been denying me of my conjugal right in this house. Eh? If I say for you with a ghost, answer me. Hey!
Obiano, you stop.
Holy Mary!
Stop, bring down your voice. You talk as if you don't know she's a ghost.
Holy Mother! Holy Jesus! Ghost.
Stop now. Stop, Obiano, just stop.
You are a finished man. A ghost. So I'm not beautiful enough. Ndubuisi, I am not enough. Hey, Edna. Hey. I don't know where Tom and when it's separate bongi. Hey. Oh my God. Ghost.
Patrick. Let me see your friend. And I believe this is the right time for you to help. Your friend here has been sleeping with a ghost in this house.
Ghost? This is unbelievable. Movies.
The other day, I woke up to see myself on the floor while she had him on the bed. My husband was moaning in pleasure.
Jesus.
Screaming, Edna, have me. Baby, take me. Do whatever you want with me.
Has it gotten to that extent?
It has gotten to the extreme. This is not funny anymore. It's about to choke me. I am beginning to lose my mind if this continues. Does she want to take my husband away from me?
Okay, what is going on now? What is happening? Patrick, these better are dying and controls.
Exactly what she wants. She wants to get him frustrated so that he can take his life and join her in that pit of hell where she is.
God forbid.
That shameless ghost of a woman wants to turn me to a young widow.
It's not possible. Lubisi will not join her. On me?
You have to help him. Because if this continues, I will leave.
You know I want to help you, but it's not easy. She keeps blocking everything.
Edna, where are you, you shameless ghost? You are so shameless. You are stupid. I don't ever want to see you close to my husband again. Else I'll pour you ashes.
Yes, ashes. Oh, I forgot. My mother told us a story.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Hello.
Hi, I'm good.
Yes, I know you.
No, I don't know you.
What do you mean no? Aren't you Erica?
I know you, but I don't know you.
You don't know me?
No.
You have a short memory. You were at my place. You, Erica, you came to my place.
I've never seen you talk more of knowing your place. I didn't even know.
That is rain. Don't you remember?
Hey, I swear I don't know you. Stop now, I didn't know you now. How come
You've forgotten me? That's your friend, right?
Yes, my friend.
Her name is Sarah, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I know you. She's Sarah.
Wait, stop this now. Why are you doing this now? Stop, I didn't know you. I said I don't know you. Go.
You're lying.
Sarah, I
You
swear I
were
didn't
at
know
my
you.
place, hey. You were at my place. I gave you water to drink.
What kind of rubbish is this one? Understand going now? What kind of nonsense is this one? I didn't know you. Sarah, I swear to God, I didn't know you. I've never met you. I don't even know where you came. Stop drinking water. I didn't know you. Why are you doing this now? Sarah, I don't know you. Sarah, I didn't know you. Will you believe him?
About a woman that sells jewelry in her compound. Normally she gives my mom jewelry without collecting money from her. One thing led to another. She relocated to the village. Later on, we got news that she slumped and died.
Just like that?
Yes. She kept appearing to my mom, demanding fiercely that my mom returns the jewelry to her. Like, this is absurd. This is a ghost appearing to my mom. It kept on for long till my mom got tired of everything. And was shouting, telling her that if she keeps appearing to her, that she will pour her ashes. That was how it stopped.
Wait a minute. Was it a physical confrontation with the ghost woman?
No, she was not seeing her, but she was just furiously saying those words.
Yeah? No, go ahead. You heard him. Fix is not about money. This is the right time for you to stand up to her. You must do everything humanly possible to stop her from appearing to us. You will do the right thing this time. You get put into warrior one neck.
My own case is different. It was a blood covenant binding Edna and I.
One name, she's dead, okay? The blood covenant is no more active. Just try it. You know I'm your friend and I will do the best for you. To work, my brother. Just calm down, everything will be alright.
Don't even say a word this thing. So it was you who went to Nelson to tell him I'm HIV positive, right? Babe, I didn't do that. I don't even know this guy. Yes, I've heard about his escapades with women, but I don't know him. So this is my first time of seeing that guy.
Shut up, you liar. Yet he recognized you. He even called you by your name. Erica, liar.
I don't know. I don't know. Shut up.
You're lying.
I swear to God, I don't know. Just give me anything you want me to swear with. I will swear to it. I don't know this guy.
You do not know him and you will die. You will die. You know him. Of course you do.
Babe, just believe me. How am I going to tell him that you're HIV positive when we have been friends for so long and I don't even know your HIV status?
Who is your friend? Who is your friend, Erica? You call me your friend, yet you keep spewing shit about me carrying HIV to people, right?
Sarah, just believe me. I don't know him. I'm just meeting him for the first time. Please believe me.
Listen, Erica, I do not want to see you in my house anymore. Just go to the house, yeah? Go to the house, pack your box, and go to Nelson. Have him all to yourself. You spoil show for me, right? You spoil.
See, believe me, I swear, I don't know this guy.
Shut up your mouth. I don't want to hear anything from you. You snitch. Pretender. That's who you are. I do not want to see you in my house again. I promise you I'll kill you.
I don't know him. Just
shut up your mouth. I've cut ties with you. I've cut ties with you because I don't want to die because of your jealousy, you stinking bitch.
How can I be jealous? Jealous of you for what? We have been friends for long now. How? I swear I don't know him. Erica, I swear.
Erica, for the last time, I do not want to see you in my house again.
I didn't say anything. I'm not your friend. Sarah, I did not tell him anything. I don't know him. Where do I even go from here? How can this man say he knows me when I don't even know him? What kind of rubbish lie is this? Now Sarah has kicked me out of the house I was managing. Where do I even go from here now?
Come in. Welcome back.
Did you say here is your house?
Yes, this is my house. You were here yesterday.
It's not me. Nothing even looks familiar to me here. I've never been to this place. Believe me, I did not come to your house.
What do you mean you didn't come to my house? We were together yesterday. Are you really serious about denying not to come to my house?
I did not visit you. I did not. I've not been to this place. I keep telling you, it's not me.
Okay, so who did I see?
I don't know.
Alright. Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday?
I was in my friend's house yesterday.
Doing what?
I just noticed I was having a bad day. Then I started hallucinating. Then something left my body. That is all I could remember. But going out yesterday, I did not even step out of the house. Talk more of coming here. I swear, it's not me.
You were hallucinating and something left you?
Yes. But I didn't leave the house.
But you didn't leave the house?
No.
You didn't come here?
No, I have never been here before.
You didn't ask for water?
It's not me.
So you're a ghost?
I'm not a ghost, boss.
Okay, so the person I saw yesterday was a ghost?
I don't know.
Could it be Edna that visited me and pretended to be Erica?
It's not me.
You know what, just sit down, make yourself comfortable.
Edna, I will never leave you. I will never leave you. You're so sweet. Edna, you're the sweetest. I love you.
Babe?
What?
You are making out with her spirit again?
What is I could not resist her.
No, you should. You cannot sit here and tell me you cannot resist her. Else she will come back. Just start to rebuke this girl. Rebuke her, do something.
I rebuke you.
Save yourself.
I rebuke you, Edna. I rebuke you, Edna. I rebuke you. I rebuke you, Edna. I know you can hear me. Edna, I know you will.
No, Dubisi, no. No, you're mine. No. You go nowhere. No. No. We promised each other love forever, so you go nowhere. You are mine. No, no. Die so you'll be at peace with me. No. No, Dubisi, no.
Edna, I don't want to see you again. I don't want to see you again, ever again. Stay away from me. I don't want to see you, Edna. Live my life. I don't want to see you. What is all this? You are dead. You're dead. Leave me alone.
This is not the love you promised me. You promised to go with me. Die, go with me, Dubisi. No, 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 stop messing with me, Dubisi, no, no. I am the love of your life. Go with me, Dubisi, no.
I rebuke you. Listen, Edna. If I see you close to me, become close to me again, I will pour you ashes. I'm serious about it.
Yes.
I will pour you ashes.
Yes. Oh, yes.
No, no. No, you have to come with me! You have to come with me! You need to die! Possible die today, Dubisi! Die! You are mine! Die! No! Come on! Dubisi!
Yes! You evil spirit! You deadly wicked spirit of Edna! Leave my husband alone.
Yes.
If I see you an inch close to my husband,
leave me alone.
I'll pour you ashes.
Yes.
You are dead! Leave him alone! Leave my husband alone!
Leave me alone.
Allow him to breathe! Whatever you two had was in the past. Stay away from him! Stop hovering around!
Yes. Yes.
And this is a promise!
What? I reject you! I rebuke you, Edna! I don't want to see you again! You are dead! Life has nothing to do with it!
Tells me she's no more.
Are you sure about that?
Your friend said it works like magic. I don't know why I forgot about these ashes all this while. I don't know the reason. I feel she's no more.
Are you sure? Baby.
You know what? How will you have to bathe now? And we add anointing oil into your bathing water so that everything can just go with her.
We equally drink it together. Yes, go and get it. Go and get it. Go now.
Your phone?
Get it for me.
Anyego.
Bring it. Hold on. Anyego calling me. Anyego on them.
I just transferred the sum of 10 million naira to your account.
What? 10 million? Huh? Baby, Anyego transfer 10 million naira to my account.
I heard you.
Thank you very much.
Anyego, thank you very much.
Thank you. God bless you.
Amen.
God bless you for me.
Amen and amen.
Thank you.
The alert. Do and let me know.
Okay, my brother. I will.
Hey! Baby!
Look at the 10 million that is here. Oh my God! Let me quickly call him. I have seen it. Thank you so much. God will bless you. My God will bless you for me. Oh!
Baby, open that message.
What's that?
Patrick.
20 what? What's that? Is it 20,000?
20 million!
20! 20 million naira for me.
Patrick.
10 million naira.
Patrick, 20.
I go 10 million. That is 30 million.
30 million naira.
For me.
30 million naira.
Oh! Oh my God!
Baby, it worked like magic.
Let me call Patrick. Patrick, oh. Patrick, Wanda. Patrick, Wanda, thank you very much. Patrick, I just received an alert of 20 million naira now.
Yes, my brother. A customer of mine who has been owing me for long just paid me. I was even surprised he paid me the whole amount. So I transferred everything to you.
I'm grateful, Patrick. Thank you very much. My God will bless you.
Amen.
Baby. My God will bless you.
Amen. And Patrick, thank you so much.
Yes.
Indeed, you are a true friend.
Of course.
May God bless you.
Amen.
NBC was there for me when I had issues, so I'm just paying him back the favor. And he's my brother now.
That is good. Patrick, you don't know what happened today.
What happened?
We have sent Edna's ghost back to where she belonged. I mean,
yes.
to the pit of hell.
Yes. Yes.
And I'm sure she will never come back again to disturb us.
Are you serious?
Of course. He did it this afternoon. In fact, this minute. Patrick, I am sure that is the reason the person owing you called and sent you that money.
Now I understand. Because this same person that paid me this morning, I called him 30 minutes ago. He told me he don't have money. All of a sudden, I saw a lot of 20 million naira. Hey, God. I'm so happy. Oh. Hey.
It works like magic.
Of course.
Hey. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Patrick, thank you so very much. My God will bless you.
Amen.
Baby. My God will bless
Amen.
you. Please, NBC can rest now. You know he has been through a lot. Hi. You're welcome. Alright now, you guys should take it. I will come see you guys soon, okay? Alright now. Thank God. Hey! My guy is back. Hi.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Did I startle you? Did I startle you?
No. Yes.
Hey, relax, okay?
Okay.
So, I noticed that each time I come around you, you seem very uncomfortable. Why is that?
I'm just scared of being in the same house with a chronic womanizer. That's just it.
I see. So you're indirectly saying I'm a bad person?
No. The stories about you flying are not really pleasant to the ears. I wonder why a guy like you would choose to womanize with all the women in town. Are you not scared of being infected? Are you not scared of threats?
You're judging me. Why?
Why do you indulge in womanizing?
It's a long story.
Do you want to share your story?
I think it's high time I told someone my story.
Do you know this is the third time I'm taking coke today?
Really? Hi.
Yes. There's too much of sugar, it's not good. Please make it more juice. Pharmacist, doctor, thank you.
Tell your friend I really like her.
That's going to be difficult.
Why? Can't I like your friend?
She's not social and she's not ready to mingle.
She's not social. Okay, tell her I want to marry her.
So he's talking about marriage. Please, you are still a couple.
So couples can get married? Listen, if you help me get your friend, I'll give you a gift. I'll start by giving you a lot of money tomorrow if you do the right thing, okay?
Please don't keep me waiting next time because of the man. He said he likes you. So I'm not interested. But he likes you. I'm serious. I said I'm not interested. Thank you.
Hello. Why are you walking under the sun? I have an umbrella.
Thank you. I don't need your umbrella. So why are you stalking me?
I like you.
Thank you. But why are you stalking me?
I told your friend to tell you that I like you, right?
Forget whatever you told my friend. I'm here. What do you want?
I love you.
You're not serious, are you?
I'm serious. In fact, I want to marry you.
I don't want. Thank you.
Hold on, wait. You don't want? I said I want to marry you.
I wish.
I was extremely devastated when my father died.
Sorry about that.
Yeah. After my father's funeral, I was told Edna searched for me everywhere. And after a while, we began to date. And after our youth service, we got married and I moved to the city to, take care of my father's business. I'm my father's only son.
Babe, I'm home. Babe. Hello. How are you?
Sorry, I'm fine.
You smell of food.
Yes.
You've been in the kitchen, I know. How are you?
I'm fine.
How have you been?
Fine.
Good.
So, how was your day?
My day was good.
And the board meeting, how did it go?
It went well. I have something for you.
What could that be?
Let's go outside.
Okay.
Let's go outside and I'll show you. Alright, one step down. Another step down. Yeah. Last one. Okay, good. Eyes shut. Don't open it.
It's not open.
Okay. Keep going. Keep going. Alright, stop. Alright, shut your eyes. Shut your eyes.
It's closed.
Close your eyes. Don't open it.
It's closed.
Open it. Okay, yeah, I know. So, Edna, I love you so much. You have been an amazing wife to me. I just wanted to get you a little gift. Here it is. You like it?
Yes! Oh my god! You got this for me.
You like it?
I love it!
Yeah!
Thank you.
You're welcome. I love you. Anything for you. Great. Go ahead. Get to your car. Look at it.
So these numbers don't connect. So how am I supposed to record this? This guy doesn't know what he's doing. What is this? He wants me to put my signature on this. I can't do that.
Hi.
Hello. How are you?
I'm fine.
What a pleasant surprise. How are you?
I'm fine.
Sit down.
No, I don't want to sit.
Why? What's wrong?
Because I'll be leaving soon.
Oh, okay. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
You have something to spill? Why are you looking so...
Guys.
Wait. You know, anytime you come around, you're like a beautiful distraction. A beautiful distraction.
I'm not going to distract.
Okay, you're not going to distract. So, what can I do for you?
Guys, no.
That reminds me. You said you were going to run a scan. Did you do that?
I'm just coming back from there.
So how did it go? You're pregnant. I know, because I'm a sharpshooter. I don't miss.
You just spoiled it.
How did I spoil it? Tell me, what did the doctor say?
We're expecting twins.
Ha! I told you! I told you! We're going to be having twins!
How did you know?
I'm a prophet. Next time when I say something to you, believe me.
Okay, prophet.
Twins! Hey! I'm a sharpshooter.
Okay.
Oh, listen, I told you that my friend told me that anytime you want to have boys, right? There's a way you bend. You know, that style I give you. Like...
Actually,
listen, the next time you cook for me, pounded yam and vegetable soup and 2 big tilapia fish.
With this pregnancy.
But of course, I told you should believe me when I say something to you.
So as a sharpshooter, I'll go and make you pounded yam.
See the way I turned you around, I gave it to you. Let me just keep quiet.
Please do, because you're in the office.
So where are you up to?
I'm heading home.
Okay.
Let me go and make the pounded yam.
Sounds good. I just have to do some recording, then I'll call you.
Sure.
Careful, drive carefully.
I will.
Alright.
You still haven't told me the reason for this excitement. What's the excitement?
Philip, my wife is pregnant with twins.
Which wife?
My wife, of course.
Are you even sure you're the father of those babies in her womb?
I beg your pardon, what do you mean? What nonsense are you talking about?
Nelson, if I should tell you what your scent of your wife does behind you, I don't think you'll believe me. Yes, you will not.
Philip, before you walked in, I was actually doing some work. Kindly give me some time to finish, okay?
Don't tell me you are indirectly asking me out of your office.
Get out, please.
You know, if I were you, I would have digged to find out the truth.
Can you get out? What's wrong with you now? Get out! What nonsense are you spilling?
Well, I will go. But go to Sunrise Hotel and Suites by 1 p.m. You'll find out yourself.
I can't believe what my ears heard. I want to see them with my 2 eyes. I want to see Edna and Philip together. I want to see that bastard sleeping with my wife. If it means sitting down here till next year, I'll do it. I will. Chai. Why?
Hey.
Easy.
That was a hot one in there.
I know you enjoyed it.
Of course, right? How come your sex life changed automatically? What happened?
I don't know, maybe my husband will answer that.
Your husband? I'm surprised.
He taught me certain things, and that's why I'm teaching you.
Oh, really? So, are you sure this baby in your room? Are you sure this baby is not mine?
Of course it's not yours, it's my husband's baby.
Really?
Yes. Don't not talk about this.
Uh,
A woman knows whose child she's carrying. So I know who baby I'm carrying.
Oh,
It's my husband's baby.
you actually
It's my
you know.
husband's baby.
Right.
Easy.
Yeah.
Why are you fidgeting? What's the meaning of that question? If my husband catches up, you know what he will do? He will beat me! Get this car.
Shit! Oh God!
What?
Edna died on the spot.
No.
Her lover was unconscious. He was rushed to the hospital and after a while, he got better.
Oh my God.
I tried to be a good husband to Edna. I was a good husband to her. I loved her with everything. Little did I know she was cheating on me with her lover.
This is unbelievable. How can she be having an affair outside her marriage?
They've been lovers before I met her.
So why then did she get married to you instead of him?
So I was told they couldn't get married because of the long land dispute they both had amongst their communities.
And they still continued their affair?
I was told they had a blood oath. They were meant to be together for the rest of their lives. And only death could separate them.
What a story.
You know, I wanted to avenge Edna's death so bad. Most importantly, my unborn babies. I wanted to hurt every man who went close to Edna. And guess what? I started acting very reckless. I didn't care. Ndubisi was on top of my list. I wanted to hurt him so bad.
So why then did you believe she was using me to get to you?
I was told Edna's spirit hasn't rested. She's been tormenting Ndubisi.
Wow. You're really getting me scared now.
You don't have to be scared. On the contrary, I think she passed across a message to me using you.
Sarah, what's up?
Erica, I am tired.
Jesus Christ! How? HIV? How?
What happened?
Babe.
I heard you scream.
Sarah.
Yes, what happened to her?
Sarah has HIV.
Baby! Hurry up, Patrick will soon be here.
Coming.
Right. Right.
I'm here.
Okay. Let's go now. Why are you kneeling before? What?
No, I've not been the best wife to you. Please forgive me. Forgive me for all the things I've done wrong to you. I was so mad at you that I wanted to do everything humanly possible to spite you. I was silly. I couldn't let go of you and Edna. I'm sorry, please.
I'm sorry. I am not a saint either. A noble man can stand cheating us. The most important thing is that we both learn from our mistakes.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry from the depth of my heart. I am sorry. I'm your wife and I am supposed to stand by you no matter what. I'm supposed to love you and stand by you. I'm so sorry. Forgive me, my love, please.
I have to. Yes. Hey guys. Please, let's go. Okay. Today is fast spent already. We don't have time.
We're coming.
We're coming. Guys, let's go, please.
We should go.
Please, we don't have time.
Yeah, we're coming. Oh my God.
Welcome back home.
Hey, we're back to our home.
Yes, of course.
Patrick, thank you.
You're
Thank you so
welcome.
much. God bless you.
You're welcome.
Babe.
One name. God bless you. God bless you. You're my brother now.
You're a good friend.
Babe?
Like this is our home.
Our home. You guys are welcome. You know, we had to do what was necessary to make sure you guys come back to your place.
Who are the we?
How do you mean?
You know, when the bank put up the house for sale, Nelson wanted to purchase the house to spite you guys. But Anyego and I outsmarted him by buying the house. So at least you guys can move into your house.
Nelson. You know, for once I thought we've lost our home. Like I thought we lost everything. Thank you. Patrick is home, Madu. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you very much. You're my brother. You don't need to thank me.
God bless you.
One name.
God bless you, bro.
Okay, bro.
Oh, God.
Alright, let me quickly get the things.
Oh, Angelo is supposed to be here. Where is he?
He traveled. It's not in the contract. Let's go. Let me get the things.
See why it's good to have good friends?
Yes.
Not just good friends in Kenwellis. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. God.
We're back to our lives.
Yes, we're back. We are back!
Go inside, okay?
No!
You have to celebrate.
Thank you so much. Please, my delicious meal, please, my delicious. You know my favorite.
Oh my God!
Thank you. Let's go inside. Let's go. Okay, let's go.
No, I have a key with me.
Beautiful. Oh my God, I've missed everything.
Let's go inside.
Okay, let's go inside. Jesus, thank you. Let's go.
Hi, babe. Are you okay?
Yeah.
I know you're not happy. I know you're still feeling emotional. But I'm here now for you.
She broke me.
She's in your past. I am now your wife. And I'm here to take very good care of you.
She died with my babies.
It's in the past. Forgive her. Forgive Ndubisi. Set yourself free. And I know God will bless us with our own children.
Nelson, to err is human, to forgive is divine. Let everything that happened be in the past. Please.
Nelson, just like Anyego rightly said, let bygone be bygone. We are brothers, let's move on, please. Nelson, Edna and I will take up one. It didn't start today. Boo. Please, I am sorry for everything. I am not proud of what I did. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm sorry.
You're a liar. A liar and a fool! A big fool at that! How dare you sit in front of me and lie to me? You've been having sex with my wife, didn't you? And you're seated there telling me stories. I lost my twins because of you. Bastard.
Nelson, Edna's unborn children were mine. Why would I lie to you? To prove what exactly? Please, I'm sorry about the whole thing. I'm sorry. My friends here, they know us. They know when Edna used to come sell banana to us. Ask them. Nelson, I'm sorry.
Baby, please forgive them. Please.
I'm sorry.
Nelson, I am begging you. Please. Forgive my husband.
Please.
Forgive us.
Please forgive us.
Please.
Please forgive us.
Please.
We are sorry.
Baby, please just forgive them, okay?
Nelson, please find a place in your heart to forgive him. Please. Please. We are begging you, please.
Listen, just get up, man. I have no grudge against you. Just get up.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nelson.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Hey, babe. How are you? Oh.
Easy.
How's my baby doing?
Baby's fine.
Baby, how are you?
Daddy's here.
Daddy's here. Talk to me. How are you, baby?
I'm fine, my love. How did you get those?
Very well, thank God.
I hope you got the baby things I asked you to get for me.
Of course, baby. It's in the boot. Lionel is coming to bring them out. So let's go in the air. Easy with my baby. Easy.
Are you serious right now?
Easy.
What
Yes.
about me?
No, of course you're very
No, the
important.
baby should take it easy on me.
Okay, baby, take it easy on your mom.
You okay?
I'm fine.
Thank you for being an amazing wife. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for being patient with me. And thank you for taking good care of me. I love you.
I love you too.
You fall in love. When you fall in love, please don't be carried away, because love can be intoxicating. If you're not prepared, it will lead you to do. Some people move out of track with their lifestyles. Some people move out of track. They choose life that is not good. Some people move out of track. Some of the things we experience today are not ordinary. Be sensitive to know when you are moving out of track of destiny. Cause all that glitters is not gold. It's not gold at all. Beauty has ugly side. Beauty has ugly